Back to my diehard battery smart charger. After you plug it in, it'll tell you what the battery voltage is. And it'll tell you if it's normal or low. I got my clamp. My terminal tightened back up and the clamp's on. And after I turn it on to get a little more light on there. Right now it's on 6 volt or 12 volt standard. Knows that. So I'm going to turn it on to charge and maintain. Six to 2 amp. It shows it's on. It'll charge for a minute and the display will go out and it'll tell me what percentage the battery is at currently once it charges for a little bit to determine the condition of the battery. We'll wait till that goes off, then I'll hit the display again and it should show me what percentage the battery is at. I'm guessing it's probably at about 80%. I'd been driving it all day long, so since it started and turned over slow, so it should be at least 80%. Oh, that changed to 12. Soon it'll probably show what it should be at. Barely any snow. It's been freezing out, so probably quite a bit of ice on the lakes. Normally in Minnesota, you can't go ice fishing and driving out on the lake until probably January, mid-January to be safe. Back in 1990, you could actually be out on the lakes driving and ice fishing on Christmas Eve. And back in the 80s, you could be out on the lake ice fishing on Thanksgiving. All right, so it shut off. Now we're gonna hit the display button again. 12, and it's at 89% charge right now. So it's higher than I actually thought it was gonna be. But like I said, I'd been driving around throughout the whole day. And we'll let that sit overnight until it's 100% in the morning. And if you do that twice a year, keep your battery up, it'll make it last a lot longer.